In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add products on WooCommerce. So in order to add specific products to your WooCommerce, first head over to woocommerce.com and click on the Start here in order to create an account, or click on Login if you already have one. So the great thing about WooCommerce is that you can actually integrate it with WordPress, which makes things easier. So I have in here my actual WordPress already added or set up. And to this part, just head over and then go to the WooCommerce option. And in here, you can see some things as well that you can actually do. Into this, you can see our homepage. You can actually add your products through this. You can already see this as well. Just click on this add your products. You can choose in here which one you want to add. It can be physical, variable, or group, or you can also import using CSV or add some print-on-demand products. For example, let's just add in here a physical product. Click on that. And then from in there, this should be able to open in here this particular part for your edit product. Just name your product right here. For example, let's name this shirt. Just name this. After you have done that, you can input right here the product description. So just input right here the actual thing that can describe this product. And from in there, you can add the product data. You can add its price. Let's input right here this as well as the sale price right here. And then you can also add in here the inventory, SKU, stock management, if it's sold individually, as well as shipping, linked products, attributes, events, and as well as the product description, SEOs, and you can also add some images right here by clicking onto the add media option. Once you're done, click onto the save draft. And if you wish to publish it, you can scroll all the way down again in order to see the publish option right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.